everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So I'm a little bit behind on my videos, but I am trying to catch up. I have my mani box here for September 2018. The theme is autumn days. I'm a little bit behind because if you saw my previous video, I moved recently and I didn't get my setup and trying to get back into things and all that jazz. So I am kind of behind, but I am trying to catch up. So I'm going to be doing this mani box and then I will show you October's, which actually just came a couple of days ago, so I'm not super behind that. So I'm going to share with you what's in September's. If you haven't seen the My Mani boxes before, I've been doing them for a while now. I can't remember how many I've had, but I really like them. I think they are a great way to actually try out new products and see different things that are out there that are available and you might not be able to get where you're from. So I thought it was a great way to try it out, and I've been really enjoying them so far. So the card says everything for a fun fall mani, including these exclusive water decals from the UK. So that's from Nicole. So these are from Beautometry. If you, like I said, if you haven't seen these before, you can get them at your on mymanibox.com or /cratebox or something like that. But they're made through Beautometry. So they have different things that are sold on their site. And so they've been including little cards like this lately into their boxes, which I thought was a nice touch. So it just says September 2018, autumn days are here again. And it just says you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram for tutorial and mani ideas. And it tells you what's actually in the box this time, so that's kind of cool. It says that, I'm just reading it. I guess it's talking about a Fiona. It's a freelance illustrator, a self-proclaimed nail addict, and owner of Pearl Plate Planet Shop, where she designs and makes her own nail decals and art prints. She wants to share her unique style of art into her nail art world, as she believes there are 10 mini canvases at the end of your fingertips. She has designed an exclusive My Mani box art autumn harvest pack for this month's box, and there's many more cute designs over on her online shop. I think it's FionaDelou.com. It's kind of blurry a little bit. Enjoy this exclusive coupon from her for your mani boxes. And then it says we have a Moo London stamping plates, the decals, a Dixie plate, a scraper, a single, some Dragonfly Unlimited pumpkin spice sugar scrubs, and 2 nail art leaves. I really like that they're actually including what is in the box, because sometimes you just kind of look at it and you're like, I don't know where this is from. So I think this is the exclusive one. Oh, and it's got the leaves. So this is from Pearl Planet. So that is from that, and this is the Fiona. If you can see on her card, that's her website that I was just talking about. Oh, they're super cute. So these are little water decals. Let's kind of open them up because it's kind of got something else in there. That's cute. And it's got a little paper on how to actually do the water decals if you've never done them before. Very, very cute. Perfect for fall, which we are experiencing here in Canada quite a lot. Lots of leaves on the ground right now, so you might see some of my pictures like that with leaves. And then we got 2 leaves actually, so we got a greenish leaf, and then we've got this taupe-ish kind of leaf as well, so that's cute. All right, let's see what else we got in here. I love all the little bags, they're always super cute. Oh, I think this is the scrub thing. Dragonfly Unlimited. This is a skincare line, and it is a pumpkin spice sugar scrub. Ooh. So let's read a little bit about it. It's got sugar, coconut oil, pumpkin spice, fragrance. That's pretty much what I actually do for my scrubs that I make at home, because my hands get pretty dry from my job, washing my hands and everything. So I usually do sugar and I do coconut oil. So I never actually add like a scent to it, but there you go. So I guess I'm doing something right. So you got 2 of these, so now I don't have to make my own because they are in here. So I'll be using those. Very festive. And now we are on to the stamping plates. All right. Oh, there's lots of stuff in here. So we've got a Dixie plate scraper. And there is a Dixie plate in here. So you got the Dixie plate, and this is the Thanksgiving one. Too bad Thanksgiving already happened, but if I had opened this box beforehand, I would have been able to do it with Canada Thanksgiving, which is in October, in the beginning of October. But for you Americans, you can do your Thanksgiving mayonnaise still. So very cute little plate. I can probably still use something in there, I think. So what else we got in here? We've got a Moo London, of course. And this is a Halloween plate. So this is the Festive Collection 62. Also wasn't doing Halloween mayonnaise, unfortunately, but I could still probably use these somehow. I would have been perfect for Halloween, but like I said, I was not into doing mayonnaise at that time. All right, let's see. And another Halloween one. So Festive Collection 61. Very cute. Could maybe use it. We'll see. Who knows? But yeah, very cute plates. So that is everything for September's My Mani box. I will leave the links down below to where you can get the box and everything. So yeah, so that is everything. Thanks for watching, and I will, see you next time. Thanks. Bye.